Sealant.
Yeah.
By the way, sealant. Why did you come to this seminar?
Have some problems in breathing and need some energy to work.
By the way, you said you have this type of problem. Did you see your doctors and other alternative medicine people?
Yeah, many. The results not encouraging lah.
In fact, would you say 10 or less?
More. Less.
Take for example, the results were not encouraging. What do you mean by not encouraging?
I don't know how to say that. It's a bit difficult, but it's not favoring me.
By the way, when you come to this one, what makes you come? Yeah, I mean, you came because of a problem, but what convinced you to come?
Results lah. People who come here, they have achieved results. So we also come with the same objective.
By the way, you have been with me 3 days. We have gone for the 3 days EKSP. How do you feel today?
Very good. A lot of energy. Breathing is much more easier.
So, did you obtain the objective that you came for?
Yes, very much. I really enjoyed my 3 days training here.
By the way, are you happy with the result?
Yeah, well, I'm very happy with the results.
Will you, if you have a chance to come again knowing such a result that if you have never known come yet, would you come again?
Yeah, I would come again if given the opportunity.
Okay, so in other words, it does work for you.
Yeah, it works very well.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's that.